We should now know that Adala means that Allah is just and fair. Many people say, that's not fair, when they see something they think is unfair. Sometimes we just need to take a closer look and get more information, and then we will find out that it was actually fair. We just thought it was unfair because we didn't know the whole story. Muslims believe that Allah is always just. In order to be just, someone has to have knowledge about the entire situation. So, when we say that Allah is just, it means that He knows everything. He makes decisions according to His never-ending knowledge. So we should be very careful not to say that something is unfair, because Allah has complete knowledge and sees the entire picture, and we only see a part of it. One day, at school, the bell rang for lunch. As the students all got ready to eat their lunch, they saw the teacher give Sarah, one of the students, a juicy burger. During lunch, they all kept whispering to each other, "The teacher is so unfair. She gave a delicious burger to Sarah, but no one else?" After lunch, they came into class, and before they sat down, the teacher started talking to them. She explained, sometimes we are very quick to say that something isn't fair, even though we don't know the whole story. For example, I heard some of you say I was unfair earlier when I gave Sarah a burger, but you don't know why I gave it to her. The reason I gave her the burger was because her parents are in the hospital, because they are very sick. There was nobody to pack her lunch today, so I decided to give her my lunch, since I did not want her to go hungry. Do you still think that what I did was unfair? The students all felt very embarrassed and shook their heads. They apologized to Sarah and the teacher for saying the situation was unfair.